What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's me, Rickey Jones Jr., back again for another video. And we're in the same vein of an unboxing video. And I'm excited for this one. Really excited for this one because I've been looking for another camera for a while now and trying to figure out what type of camera I would do. I was strongly debating on just getting a new phone and using that as my camera, but I said to myself, I really don't want to use a phone as a camera as like a primary camera. Maybe it could be like a secondary, thirdary, fourthary, and probably at this point, fifthary camera, largely because I want to just be able to have a phone to be the phone, and I probably would need the phone to get around in new places, right? But then as well, I'm excited for this camera because it's small and discreet enough that it is a camera, but it's not aggressive where it looks like a camera where, you know, people get a little funny when cameras are around. However, with this one right here, it doesn't necessarily gives off like, oh, a full camera situation. It looks like something weird that you're holding. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing, well, really unbagging. And again, I'll put links down below in the description for the Amazon link to this bad boy, okay? So that you can too have yours. Now, what we have, ladies and gentlemen, is the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo Camera. And I'm excited about this camera because, like I said, it's nice, small, and compact. But this one is the Creator Combo because it has all of the other different pieces that goes along with it to make content creation that much more enjoyable and feasible. And therefore, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Y'all know it's nothing like unwrapping something new. I don't know what it is about it. Maybe it's like Christmas nostalgia, I don't know. But this one is kind of difficult. Maybe they made it child-proof, okay? I don't know, okay, boom, there it is. Whew, it's almost like ripping off plastic for a new phone. Anyway, boom shakalaka, DJI. I need to meet some people in DJI, right? I need to be sponsored by y'all. Oh, there's an opening on the side. I was trying to, you know what I'm saying, go in very aggressive, but it wasn't necessary. And so we just open that bad boy like a door, and it even shows you here different things about the camera as well. And so once you open this bad boy up, you have a picture. It tells you where the power is. It tells you how to connect it to a phone if that's what you're trying to do. It lets you know of the apps that they have on the Apple Store. This one doesn't matter. And there's a QR code just to make life easier as well. But then you just pull that bad boy up. I'm sure that's something in there. So we'll put it to the side. And then, great people, here is the camera all in one. Let's go ahead and get into it. Taking off this plastic. You know, who needs plastic? Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so small, but yet so conducive to life. All right, so we're gonna pull this bad boy out. Let's see if it's anything else in the box, right? Okay, it is. All right, so we have oh yes, it's the combo pack. So we have a wireless mic that comes along with it as well. I forgot about that. And then there's the stand that comes along with it. And then there is this bottom piece, which we'll figure out what that's for. And that is the content of the box. Well, let's see what's in this mini box. In the mini box, we have, oh, for the wide angle. Ooh, bunch of little pieces. Oh my gosh, bunch of little pieces. I don't even know what all these pieces are for, but we're gonna find out together. How about that? And I think this is the instruction manual, so we'll put that to the side. Who needs that? We'll just figure it out, right? That's what we do. All right, so let's look at everything that we have. All right, so this is for the audio, right? This is a bottom piece that is an extra battery portion of the camera. We don't know what this piece is. Oh, this piece goes to this piece. Yep, and it makes the stand. All right, boom. So we'll put those together. We'll see what's in these wrappers. Of course, you have to have your USB-C, USB-A, so that's probably charging. And here we have the camera itself, okay? Let's see how to get this bad boy out. Da 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 da. I don't want to use too much strength, right? Because I have a lot of it. Because I work out. Oh, boom, just that easy. All right, so it was just a slide-in situation. I wonder if the sponges are necessary. Probably not. Yep, remove before powering on. And I'm assuming that all of these stickers need to be removed as well. I don't know, it's the same color. But look how small this is, great people. My hands are not big, and I don't believe it's gonna be bigger. Well, I know my hand's gonna be bigger than it. Yep. Boom shakalaka. My hand is bigger than this here camera. Not only is it a camera, but it is on a gimbal, which means it is uberly like straight, right? So as you are doing different things, doing video, I had to set it up, y'all. Let me go ahead and take the last sticker off, and then we're gonna set this bad boy up. All right, so let's go ahead and take the last sticker off. Oh, it's shaking. It doesn't like to be laid on its back. So let's go ahead and take that off. And let's set this bad boy up. Oh yeah, we need English. Yep. English. Device not activated, connect to the DJI. We have to figure that out. All right. Boop, 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 boop. All right, y'all. So y'all are a part of this process, right? Okay, this is another windscreen for the mic because with the creator combo, let me just set it up. All right, cool. With the creator combo, it comes with a mic. And so here's the windscreen for that. Toss that to the side. This is, listen. Oh, boom. This is to connect to the USB phone. And this one, I'm assuming, is going to be, yup, for old phones like mine. Whatever. And then this is going to be, okay, an external way or another way to, oh, I get it now. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all are seeing this right here, right now. All right, so it wants me to device not activated, connect to DJI Mimo. I don't know, maybe it's this little device mechanism? Let's see, y'all. Is it that? All right, so I might have to look at some instructions. Just when I thought I knew what to do. Then technology tells me, ha ha ha, you don't. So you do have to download the app. All right, so let me go ahead and download the app. Download the app from the App Store. It is DJI Memo. All right, cool. I'm gonna get it. Double install. Boom shakalaka. See, man, y'all are getting not only the unboxing of the DJI camera, but also the installation and startup of it. I thought it was going to be a whole lot easier. However, we are here and we're going to see, right? But at the same time, look how small it is. Come on, some things you just can't beat. It's smaller than my face, right? So I'll be able just to carry it, walk around with it in the airport and everywhere else. And nobody will know. Well, maybe they know. Maybe they'll know because they see what? DJI Pocket not activated, connect phone and activate it. Cool. All right, I'm not skipping it. We're going through the process, right? So it's downloading the app and here's the mic right here, but it's downloading the app. We're gonna make sure it does what it needs to do. And I'm gonna go through the steps, right? Let's do that. So actually it says step number 1. So follow the piece of paper. Step number 1, download the app. Step number 2, there's some chip that I'm supposed to put in here. Oh, the SD card is still coming in. All right, so then step number 5 is to take this bottom piece off. Let's see, how easy is it? Okay, just gotta put your nail in that bad boy and pry it out. All right, take the bottom off. And then either I could put this on if I'm looking to use the stand, or I can put the extra battery pack on. If not, so I'll put the extra battery pack on. Ugh. All right. And then you can have the mic transmit straight to it, but I'm not gonna worry about this right now. Ugh. It's causing a little kerfuffle anyway. Well, I'll leave it on, whatever. Just leave it on. And then from here, I can put the, okay. I can still put the tripod stand on this bad boy, even with the extension. Oh, so you can use it, okay. Then boom, shakalaka, opens up. Man, I might have to do a video where I just tell y'all and show y'all how to do this once I figure it all out, right? Because, you know, obviously I'm a newbie and we're figuring it out as we go. So boom diggity. So we're gonna open it up. Agree, because you don't have a choice. Join, because I want to be a part of the family. Don't allow, would you like? Devices, network, sure. X, not to. All right, so now that we have this bad boy, now we can flow. All right, let me turn that on.
2 hours later.
All right, so I gotta register a whole account. Okay. All right, so boom. Stick control. All right, so I want to take this part off actually. Boom diggity. All right, so back in action, great people. So it actually wasn't difficult to set it up. It just took a few steps that I wasn't necessarily prepared to do. However, it's what you have to do if you want your DJI Pocket 2 to be in its max capability, which is functional, okay? If you don't use the instructions, you will not be able to do anything with the camera. So I don't have a card for it yet. It is still en route to my house, and so I won't be able to show you all the visuals from this particular camera, but no, content is coming using this here Pocket 2 DJI gimbal camera, right? And so fun times, good times, great people. The party don't stop. I'm excited for what this will be and all this will be, and I'm excited to share it with you all, great people. So again, links will be down below for this particular camera if this is something that you are looking for. Nice and fun, right? Nice, small, and everything there needs to be. So content is gonna go through the roof, and I'm excited to bring you all along the journey. So until next time, great people, I love you all. I appreciate you all. Live life to the fullest and make sure you have the right equipment to do so. Peace.